the door. Senses when my sky is falling, where my roof was shelter from the storm. She don't mind all the times when my heart gets black and blue. Sees the tears in my eyes from a different point of view. Well, she likes the days better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she can love me somehow. When the sky turns gray, she can say face. She ain't even seen but the clouds. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she can love me somehow. Keeps a half a ship she found distant, right on top of her bedroom drawer, next to a dozen dying flowers. Waits until the petals fall onto the floor. Finds some beauty in the broken what nobody else can see. Maybe I got shot up for seeing something in me. Well, she likes her days better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she can love me somehow. When the sky turns gray, you should see her face. She ain't even fazed by the clouds. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she should love me somehow. She loves the days better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she can love me somehow.